This video will go over the process for tightening the crank arm screw on studio cycle style machines. Tightening the crank arm is a part of general maintenance and should be checked periodically in order to ensure proper use and care of your machine. If the crank arm feels loose while you are pedaling, you can follow these steps along with the ones found in your user's manual to tighten the crank arm. First, loosen the two screws on the outside of the crank arm shown here. Loosen one side, then rotate the crank arm 180 degrees and loosen the other one. With both these screws loosened, you can now tighten the larger crank arm screw on the face of the crank arm. On some models, this screw may be reverse threaded. If your crank arm screw is reverse threaded as shown here in this example, please take note of the embossed text and directional arrow on the screw face. This will show you the correct direction to turn the screw in order to tighten it. With the crank arm properly tightened, you can now tighten the two screws that were loosened earlier. Tighten one side, then rotate the crank arm 180 degrees and tighten the other side. After you have tightened both sides, rotate the crank arm back another 180 degrees and check the first screw again. Repeat this step checking both screws until both are properly tightened.